Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Collective. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated US SUVs of 2025, the Dodge Durango Hellcat SRT. If you thought the previous models were beasts, wait until you hear about the upgrades on this one. Buckle up, because we're talking about a muscle SUV that doesn't just roar, it dominates. The 2025 Durango Hellcat SRT is packing serious heat under the hood with its 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8. This monster churns out a staggering 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. Dodge has taken everything we love about the Hellcat and made it even more savage for 2025. It's not just about raw power though. The Durango Hellcat SRT delivers a well-rounded performance that will leave even the most seasoned car enthusiasts impressed. This SUV is not just fast, it's insanely fast. 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds for an SUV of this size is mind-blowing. You get all that speed, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort or practicality. Dodge has always been known for blending insane performance with family-friendly utility, and the 2025 Durango Hellcat SRT is no exception. It seats up to 7 people, with plenty of room for cargo. So whether you're hauling kids to soccer practice or tearing up the track on weekends, this SUV can handle it all. Now let's talk design. The 2025 Durango Hellcat SRT is just as aggressive on the outside as it is under the hood. The wide body stance, flared fenders, and a bold front grille give it a menacing presence. With updated LED lighting, massive 20-inch wheels, and available racing stripes, this thing looks ready to pounce even when it's parked. Inside, you're surrounded by premium materials, including leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a high-tech cockpit featuring the latest Uconnect infotainment system with a massive 10.1-inch touchscreen. This beast isn't just for the streets, though. Dodge has equipped the 2025 Durango Hellcat SRT with an all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, giving you confidence whether you're on the highway or tackling tough terrain. And for those of you who love to tow, this SUV boasts an impressive 8,700-pound towing capacity, proving it's not just about speed but strength too. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Durango Hellcat SRT takes everything we loved about the previous versions and dials it up to 11. It's an SUV that doesn't compromise, combining Hellcat-level performance, everyday utility, and jaw-dropping design. If you're in the market for an SUV that can do it all, this might just be the ultimate option. Thanks for watching the Car Collective. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd take this monster for a spin. See you next time.